everybody, this is Filipina British iStory again. Welcome to my channel. This time, this video will show you how I make my pasta bake. Right, so what I'm trying to do now, guys, is I'm trying to rub some butter around the dish. So when I put the cook mince and pasta, it will not stick. And then we have the sliced onion. So we need garlic for this recipe. I think that's enough. Now I'm gonna be putting the pasta into boil. Now that my water is boiling, I need to add pasta on it. Make sure you put a little bit of oil in your boiled water so that the pasta won't stick. And then I'm adding a little bit of salt. Don't put too much salt because you'll be adding cheese later. So I've added salt and pepper, ground pepper on this one. And now I will add the bolognese sauce. And I'm gonna mix it again with the bolognese sauce. I also use a double cream for my baked pasta, that it will just make it more tastier. And this time I'm gonna add the double cream. Yeah, you need to put cheese on top before putting them into the oven. The oven on into fan, and then that will be okay. We're checking now. How does it look like? Oh my god, it's almost cooked. Very nice. Very, very nice. So it has just been taken out from the oven. This is looking good. My pasta bake, or baked pasta you call it. So now I'm ready to dish out. Dish out this out. Whoa, that looks really nice. Looks yummy. looks delicious. And the smell, my goodness, the smell is so nice with all the cheese. The smell of the cheese and the smell of the double cream. Yes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!